take care of you. I will. And if I got been now, I could do it now. Take care of me.
I've been moving calm, don't start no trouble with me. Trying to keep it peaceful is a struggle for me. Don't pull up at 6 a.m. to cuddle with me. You know how I like it when you loving on me. I don't wanna die for them to miss me. Yes, I see it.
I have a super fun unit today. I'm gonna be doing some blonde highlights. So I got this wig from Megalook hair. Let me show you the packaging. So this is Megalook. The bag it came in. And for the shipping, I would say it came pretty quick. This is a little bag of goodies. It has like the eyelashes, the typical things you guys would see with an unboxing. But anyway, let's hurry up and get to this unit. Let's get to the unit. So this is 22 inches. Let me open it up. This is my first time seeing it out of the bag. I got my 22-inch girl right here. And we are blonde and highlighted. So this is what she looks like. Ooh, I'm super excited. I feel like I want to do layers in this hair where it's straight with some cute layers. I'm gonna try it on. I do have my micro link still in, so let's see if this wig fits. I do have a larger head, so I'm always pretty concerned about that, but hopefully she fits and looks good. So this wig fits and it is not tight at all, so I'm looking forward to it. I'm gonna try and do some layers. I'm not the best at cutting layers, but I'm gonna try. But anyway, this is the hair, guys. I love the color. Oh my goodness, I really love this color. I think it looks so cute. Wow. So right now, I don't know if it's because of how I put it on, but I am getting some tangling, as you guys can see, like when I'm trying to run my fingers through it. I'm getting some tangling. I don't know if that's because of the blonde or whatever, but we're gonna see. It looks good all the way down to the ends though. The hair looks good, but of course I am going to bleach my knots and shampoo and condition the hair. I will also be doing some plugging to this unit. Let me show you guys the lace. Here's the lace. It looks good right now. Of course, I need to customize it, but the actual lace is like as you guys can see, it's like a weird color on my skin. So we're gonna work with it. It's like it's pretty thin, kind of stretchy. So the lace is good. The actual lace is good. But yeah, so this is the hair so far. Again, 22 inches. Very nice. I'm not a tall girl, so 22 inches is still very long on me. So I'm gonna go ahead and get to customizing, and then I'll see you guys in a second.
Yeah. Hey, hey. She say, do you love me? I tell her only partly. I only love my bed and my mom. I'm sorry. 50 dub, I even got it tatted on me. 81, they'll bring the crashers to the party. And you know me, turn the 02 into the 03. Without 40 Ollie, there be no me. Imagine if I never met the broskies. God's plan, God's plan. I can't do this on my own. Hey, someone watching this shit close. Yep, close. I've been me since Scarlet Road. Hey, road. Might go down as G-O-D. Yeah, wait. I go hard on Southside G. Hey, wait. I make sure that Northside E. Yeah. And still bad things. It's a lot of bad things that they wishing and wishing and wishing and wishing they wishing on me. Yeah. Yeah. start no trouble with me. Trying to keep it peaceful is a struggle for me. Don't pull up at 6 a.m. to cuddle with me. You know how I like it when you loving on me. I don't wanna die for them to miss me. Yes, I see the things that they wishing on me. Hope I got some brothers that outlive me. They gon' tell the story, shit was different with me. God's plan, God's plan. I hold back sometimes I won't. I feel good sometimes I don't. I finesse down Western Road. Might go down to G.O.D. I go hard on Southside G. I make sure that Northside heat. And still bad things. It's a lot of bad things that they wish and they wish and they wish and they wish and they wishing on me. Yeah. Hey, hey. She say, do you love me? I tell her only partly. I only love my bed and my mom. I'm sorry. 50 dub, I even got it tatted on me. 81, they'll bring the crashers to the party. And you know me, turn the 02 into the 03. Without 40 Ollie, there be no me. Imagine if I never met the broskies. God's plan, God's plan. I can't do this on my own. Hey, someone watching this shit close, yep, close. I've been me since Scarlet Road, hey, road. Might go down as G.O.D., yeah, wait. I go hard on Southside G, hey, wait. I make sure that Northside eat, yeah. And still bad things, it's a lot of